morning children. Welcome back to Social Studies tutorial. So students, in today's session we are going to talk about the factors affecting India's climate, and we are going to discuss altitude, because already we have discussed latitude. Then the next comes altitude. So you just students, you just recall the session in which I taught you the climate controls in the context of the world. Then in that session we have done about the altitude, that whenever we go up from the surface of the earth, then the density of the atmosphere decrease, what exactly, just because of this temperature decreases. So what happens in that case? Similarly, that is also applied in our country's context, because we know that how the altitude controls the climate of an area, that as we go up the temperature decreases. So in India's context, what happens, that you know that there are the Himalayas, and these are the there is what exactly this. So this is at the average height of 6,000 meters. So what happens there? These Himalayas just protects our country from the Central Asia. How it protects? Because it protects the from the cold winds which comes from the Central Asia from entering into the subcontinent. Now you imagine, suppose if Himalayas would not have been there, then what had happened? We would not have experienced monsoon type of climate. Why? Because if these cold wind enters in our country, then the temperature remains the climate remains a cold temperature, and we would have been experienced extreme cold. But just because of these Himalayas or these mountains, these cold winds which comes from the Central Asia does not get entered there in our country, and because of this what happens, that we experience is that people of the subcontinent experiences little milder, comparatively milder winters. What milder means? That is not too harsh. So these Himalayas in the north, these have their 6,000 meters average height, and because of this, it prevents the subcontinent from getting the cold winds entered which comes from the Central Asia, and because of this there is a kind of we experience monsoon type of climate. So students, I hope you have understood that how Himalayas or the altitude of Himalayas affect the climate of our country. Now the next factor which affects our India's climate, that is pressure in winds, though we are going to learn it in our next session. So then in our next session we are going to learn about pressure in winds, that there are the different weather conditions which affects our country's climate. These are the pressure and surface winds, upper air circulation, and western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones. So students, I hope you understood well, and in our next session, as I told you, that we are going to learn about the pressure in wind system. So we'll also learn about the Coriolis force, which is also known as Farrell's law, and about the jet stream, that how it affects the climate of our country. So see you soon in our next session. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.